What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're inside this Tesla Model 3 because we're getting ready to install some real carbon fiber trim pieces that are going to go on your Model 3 steering wheel and just really spruce up the look of it. This is going to be a super simple install. All you're going to need are the carbon fiber pieces themselves, which are going to have some 3M double-side tape already installed on them. We're going to have some wax and grease remover and some paper towels to clean our area before we apply them. And we're also going to use this 3M adhesion promoter like we like to do with all of our 3M double-side tape products. So let's go ahead and flip over the steering wheel here and get started on this install. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is just get familiar with how these pieces are going to fit. We're going to test fit all of our pieces. And it's important to note with all of these, the side pieces as well as the bottom piece, we're going to be slightly sliding them underneath the edge of the airbag for a proper fit. As you can see on the bottom here, if you were to just go ahead and put the bottom edge first and then try and line it up, it's not going to fit. It's going to hit the airbag here. So how we're going to do this bottom piece is we're actually going to slide it up under the airbag first and then drop the bottom edge down. So we're going to do the same thing on the side as well. We're going to take this top corner piece and this edge here, and we're just going to slide that up under the edge. And then we're going to want to get our circle cut out here for our controls lined up, and then just make sure our bottom edge is lined up. And that's all there is to it. So before we get started here, we're just going to wipe the steering wheel down with some wax and grease remover to clean our area before we apply the trim pieces. And just make sure that is completely dry. No dust, dirt, or anything left on the surface. Alright, so now that we've got that clean, we're just going to take our 3M adhesion promoter packet and we're just going to apply a little bit of this to all three areas here where we're going to be applying our trim. And you do not need a lot of this. We're just going to keep it inside the areas here where we're going to be applying it. You don't want it to be protruding outside of where these trim pieces are going to sit. And I would definitely try and keep this off of your scroll wheels here. Alright, so now we can just peel our backing on the tape here. And I'm going to start with this top corner here, get this edge slid underneath the airbag, and get our hole lined up. And then make sure my bottom edge is lined up. And then we want to press nice and firm to get it set in place. Alright, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing on this other side here. Alright, now our bottom trim piece, remember to slide this top edge up underneath the airbag first. And this piece actually has a nice little lip that you're going to feel grab onto the edge of the stock trim piece here, and that's how you're going to know you've got it set in position. So yeah, I'm going to feel it grab that edge around the bottom and the sides of the stock trim piece up underneath the airbag, and this piece is set. I'm just going to apply some pressure, and that is perfectly installed. Alright, and that is going to do it for our Sportline carbon fiber steering wheel accent pieces. If you want to check these out for yourself, you can do that at sportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.